one's coming out to ya. This will be the new buzz. Everybody show love and give it up, for our moms are the future, and nobody can take that away from ya. What should you do? Don't be scared to ask if you need some questions answered. Sometimes we need to better understand, no matter what you do, know that your tupuna chose you. Tane, we got to step the game up, supporting our wahine with some positive change. We gotta give to our women, we gotta love our women, and our mothers and fathers. We gotta teach our women to be the best that they can possibly be. Remembering funny because we'll fuck a papa, you see. All I see through their eyes, and it's no surprise. T.H. Moody or the mums, you hold the essence alive. Hey. We can see into our future through our children's eyes.
See you are the woman. That's all.
And with the power of our people, we can make the change to take back our lives.
This one dedicated to every single lady looking after babies. Dan, you done saved me. Single or you're married, in relationship, appreciation should be coming your way, and that is it. Why he net tour girls run the world, yeah, Beyonce said it. And if your boy ain't with it, better get him with it. They say a man loves a woman like he loves his mom, and my heart's filled with love. Thank you, Mom. See, I remember listening to Robert Nistamani sing, the biggest man that you ever did see. I was once a baby, and all our babies stem from our ladies. Baby girl, if you're going through it now and there's doubt in your mind, remember that giving birth is the gift of a lifetime. Gift heaven sent, it's a gift and it's true. Stand up, be proud, girl, we standing with you. Hey.
We can see into our future through our children's eyes.
See you are the woman. That's all.
And with the power of our people, we can make the change to take back our lives. Take back our lives.
Cause you are a woman. That's all you need. Hey, sing it again.